really like granola, but man, look at all the sugar in this. And it's kind of expensive, too. Hey, Iowa Mom, can you help us out?
Hi, this is Lena Shea, an Iowa Mom, and actually making healthy granola is pretty quick and easy. Let's go! We start by preheating our oven to 325. We start with, and this doesn't have to be exact, just about 4 cups of quick oats. And you can use old-fashioned, but I like the texture that the quick oats makes. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. And if I wanted to add nuts, now would be the time to do it. Don't add any dried fruit at this point because we're going to bake this and we don't want it to burn. Okay, next is going to be our healthy coconut oil. I need a 1/2 cup. Check out the healthy benefits of coconut oil online. So I just keep pressing this coconut oil into the measuring cup. Skim off the top. Now, put this in a bowl, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave so I can liquefy it to melt about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to measure my pure maple syrup, and I don't want the imitation. It has a more intense sweetness to it. It's more expensive, but it's natural, and it's like about double sweet. So you don't have to use as much as if you're using some other kind of sweetener. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of the pure maple syrup and add that right into the melted coconut oil. We're going to be using a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to add all of this to our oats. We're just dumping that all in at once. Giving that a stir until all the oats are moistened by the coconut oil and the syrup. We're going to be using parchment paper and then just crease it on the side. Now we're going to put our granola onto the tray, spreading over the parchment paper. Make it even. Now we put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Set the timer. And what we're doing is we're wanting to toast evenly. So we're going to stir that. We're going to take the outer edges, put them to the center more, and then just kind of squish it out. We put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes and set the timer. Okay, it came out of the oven for the second time, so it's been 20 minutes total in the oven. Now we're just going to stir that again and let this cool. When it's completely cool, you can add other things to it or just simply leave it as is. You can add dried fruit to your granola if you like. One of my favorites is the dried cranberries, but raisins, golden raisins, and even fruit that's big chunks like figlets or apricots. With these, you want to cut them up though. Any of these will make a good addition to your granola, add some nutrition. Even something maybe a little surprising, dark chocolate is known to be good for you, so dark chocolate chips in your granola is kind of a neat idea. It keeps at least 2 weeks in the cupboard if you have it in a closed container, or longer if you want to put it in the freezer. This cereal is husband approved. This is Lena Shea and Iowa Mom. Thanks for watching.
It's very good.
On youtube.com and Iowa Mom videos, select the video tab to find a full list of all my videos.